Water is not just a liquid that quenches our thirst. Water is the source of life, a conduit of energy, and a symbol of purification. Think about how the sound of waves calms you, how refreshing it feels to have raindrops on your face, or how clean everything seems after a storm. But what if I told you that water could become your secret ally in achieving success, happiness, and inner peace? In this video, I will reveal how ordinary water can transform your life, cleanse you of negative energy, and attract good fortune. Stay with us until the end to learn how to harness the power of water to change your life. Ancient wisdom and simple practices that you can apply today await you. Water has always been more than just an element of nature. In myths and legends across cultures, it symbolizes the beginning of everything, representing purity, wisdom, and life. In Buddhist philosophy, water holds a special place, symbolizing clarity of mind and the ability to embrace change. Imagine a calm lake with no ripples on its surface. Our mind can become just as clear if we learn to connect with water on a deeper level. Purification with water. One of the simplest and most accessible rituals is cleansing with water. Every morning and evening as you wash your face, imagine that water is washing away not only physical dirt, but also all your worries, fears, and anxieties. Let each drop touching your skin take away everything unnecessary. This simple ritual will help you start the day with a clear mind and end it by leaving all your troubles behind. Charging water with positive energy. Water has a unique ability to absorb energy and intentions. There are studies that have shown that ice crystals form beautiful patterns if the water has been exposed to kind words and music. Take a glass of water, and while holding it in your hands, say your most cherished wishes. Be sincere, speak with your soul. Drink this water slowly, realizing that each sip fills you with energy, joy, and confidence. Water and meditation. For Buddhist monks, water is not only a means of cleansing the body, but also a powerful tool for cleansing the mind. Try meditating near water. Sit by a river, lake, or even a running tap, observing the movement of water and listening to its sound. Allow your mind to merge with this flow, letting go of thoughts and worries. Soon you will feel peace coming over you, and solutions to issues that seemed unsolvable will come on their own. Water rituals in Buddhism. In Buddhist temples, you can often see bowls of water placed in front of Buddha images. This water symbolizes purity and devotion. Some monks drop a few drops of such water on their forehead or hands, believing that it brings clarity and guides them on the path of truth. You can do something similar at home. Create your own little place of power, place a bowl of water there, and use it for your daily rituals of cleansing and charging. Rainwater energy. Water collected during rain is considered especially powerful. It is charged with the energy of the sky and earth and has strong cleansing properties. Collect some rainwater in a clean container and use it for washing or even watering plants at home. This water will fill you with the vital power of nature, and your plants will thrive, nourished by its energy. Water with salt practice. Water with added salt is often used for energy cleansing. Salt symbolizes purification and protection. Add a pinch of sea salt to your bath or use it to rinse your hands. This will help wash away negative energy and restore balance. You can use this practice after a hard day to release tension and return to harmony. Charged water and herbal infusions. Water can absorb not only the energy of words, but also the healing properties of herbs. Try adding herbs that correspond to your goals to the water. Lavender will help you relax before bed. Mint will energize you in the morning, and rosemary will help you concentrate at work. Drink these infusions mindfully, imagining how the healing energy of the herbs fills every cell of your body. New moon and full moon water rituals. Water charged with moonlight is considered especially powerful. During the new moon or full moon, place a bowl of water under the open sky and let it be charged with moonlight. Use this water for washing or add it to your bath. Moon-charged water helps to cleanse the old and set the stage for new beginnings. Space cleansing with water. Water can help not only in personal cleansing, but also in purifying space. Fill a bowl with water, add a little sea salt, and place it in the corner of a room to absorb negative energies. After a while, pour the water into the ground or down the drain, imagining it carrying away all the negativity. Affirmations and water. Water can be an excellent conductor of your affirmations and positive intentions. Pour a glass of water and, before drinking, speak your goals and desires out loud. Imagine the water absorbing these intentions, and as you drink it, they become part of you. This is a simple but effective way to charge your affirmations with additional energy. Water purification with stones. Some stones, such as amethyst, quartz, and shungite, can be used to purify water and give it special energy. Place a stone in a glass or jug of water and leave it for several hours. This water will not only taste better, but will also be infused with the energy of the stone. This will help you set a positive mood and improve your well-being. Water as a conductor of intentions. Water can become not only a source of physical cleansing, but also a conductor of your intentions. For example, if you have a goal or desire, write it down on a piece of paper, place the paper under a glass of water, and let it sit for a few hours. Then drink the water, imagining that your intention is becoming part of your reality. Gratitude ritual with water. Thank the water every time you drink it or use it for washing. Direct your kind thoughts towards the water, and it will respond in kind. This simple ritual helps develop a sense of gratitude, which in turn attracts more favorable events and opportunities into your life. Water secrets in Feng Shui. In Feng Shui traditions, water symbolizes wealth and good luck. Placing water features such as fountains or aquariums in the right places in your home can help attract cash flow and harmonize the energy of space. Make sure the water is always clean and fresh, as stagnant water can attract negative energy. Power places and water. Water is often found in power places, natural locations that have special energy. Water in such places, whether mountain springs, waterfalls, or sacred rivers, is considered particularly healing. If you have the opportunity, visit such a place and touch the water to receive a powerful charge of energy. Aura cleansing with water. Visualize a stream of clear water washing over your body and taking away all energy blocks and negative influences. Imagine your aura becoming brighter and clearer. This method can be used in the shower or by visualizing the water flow mentally during meditation. Washing before important events. Water can help you prepare for important events in life. Before starting a new project, an important meeting, or even before a difficult conversation, wash with water, imagining it washing away doubts and fears, filling you with confidence and determination. Creating water for health. Water can be used to improve health. Fill the water with bright thoughts about health, repeating affirmations such as, "I am healthy," or "My body gets stronger with every sip." Drink this water and let every intention become part of your reality. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about ancient practices and secrets that help make our lives better, subscribe to our channel, like, and share this video with your friends. If we reach 5,000 likes, I will create a special episode on how to calculate your financial code using numerology and attract wealth into your life. Leave your comments below. How do you use water in your life? Share your experiences and questions, and maybe your story will inspire others. This expanded version includes more practical recommendations and ideas to help viewers use the power of water in their spiritual practices and daily lives.